Woo! Ouch! 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 Oh, wanna cry. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and I want to go over the products that I love the most so far during this holiday sale. Now, I did get this the day of Black Friday, but these are still on sale and you can get them online. These are impact socket adapter sets. So you can hook these on your impact driver and turn your impact driver basically into an impact wrench. So let's say if you don't have an impact wrench on hand, all right, let's say you don't have an impact wrench. Now you can use your impact driver. Got one here, but I got my favorite one right here. So let's say you want to use your impact driver instead of using an impact wrench, or let's say that you don't have the impact wrench but you do have an impact driver. You just don't want to pay for a impact wrench. For $6.88, this was $6.88 and this was $6.88. Right here it already shows you to hook it up to your impact driver and use it as a impact wrench. In each packet you get 3 different sizes. You get your 3/8. This is a 10-inch driver set. So you have a 3/8, a 1/2 inch, and then you have a 1/4 inch. And there you go. Now it has a rough finish. It's not glossy. It's like a matte finish. It's pretty cool. At least you have a little holder set for it, so you can actually set it up if you want. If you want to set it up, it don't stay up. You can lay it right up against the wall right there. So there you go. You could leave it against your wall and you'll know where it's always at, or you could put it in your toolbox, wherever you want to put it. But one thing you can't do is keep it straight up and down. Let me open up the other one. Now we have the 10-inch set. Now this is pretty big, you guys. We got our Nikio set, or Nikio, however you pronounce it. So we got the 1/2 inch, 2 inches, 6 inches. Yeah, come out. We got our 1/2 inch at 10 inches. Why they put the 1/2 inch in the middle, I don't know. But if you're anal about it, you will put 1/4, and then you will put your 3/8 to be next, and then you put the 1/2 inch last. That's just me. You could do what you want. That's just how I stay organized. All right. Same with that. They put the 1/2 inch in the middle, but me being like Niles on Frasier, gotta have things a certain way to keep it in a certain order. And that's it. All right, you guys, so we have our 1/2 inch at 2 inches, 1/2 inch at 6 inches, 1/2 inch at 10 inches, and we are about to drive something into the wall. I just painted these walls, so I am not driving anything on these walls right now. So I will probably go downstairs with a piece of wood, or if I can find a piece of wood up here somewhere, I will go ahead and do the drive test, and then that will be it. But like I said, this is the best product for me as far as the holiday sales go. Personally, as far as tools go. Now, we have some other products here that I pretty sure I would love, but yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Let's go ahead and drive some screws into the wall. So I would love to welcome y'all into the tester wall. All right, we have our impact socket extensions right here. First one we're going to use is the 2 inch, and that's it. Got the ball right there. This is our Nikio set. You got the slot right there, and there you go. Did I forget to mention that this is a lifetime warranty? I think that may be a plus for you or not. I don't know. There we go. If you are a mechanic, you will definitely love this tool. If you are a contractor or work in construction, you will love this tool. Oops. I was gonna drive this sucker all the way in. All right. Woo. And that's hot. Duh, why would I touch that? It's burning. All right, that's too high. Woo! Ouch! 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 Oh, I wanna cry. All right, we have 6 inches. Toss it to the side. 6 inch. Same thing. Want to drive the sucker in there. All right, drive it back out. And do be aware that this gets hot. All right, and last but not least, 10 inches. Woo! You are definitely far away. So if you have something that's in a certain area or in a way that you can't get to it is very far, this is definitely good, especially for $6 or $7. All right, test number 3, and we're definitely further back. And voila, that's it with this review. Like I said, these are still on sale. I will put a Home Depot link in the description, and that's about it. Lifetime warranty. So I hope y'all like this review. If you like it, please leave a like so the video could go out to more people. Subscribe to the channel. I do review tools. I review home products, smart home products, and many more stuff. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you think this video may value somebody out there, share the link with somebody you know that may like this tool. Other than that, like, comment, and please subscribe.